Bam, 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 bam. Oh, hey. I hate Junior so much. Oh, and I'm a cheap puppet off Amazon. So hey. Yeah, I got the Chef Pee puppet. I did make a paper version. Where is it? Yeah, I made a paper version of him, but I can't find it. So. Oh, here it is. So you can see a lot of differences, alright? I put my hand in my puppet. You can see a lot of differences. It's easier to talk with this one. It's harder to talk with this one. But it came with this rod. In SML, they don't use this rod. They use a metal rod. But okay, it's not a spoon or anything. It's not those kind of spoons that they pick up with food and stuff. Some people use that. This is not. Like, I took the rod out of his hand. It's not as bad. Alright, so as you can see, Chef Pee Pee doesn't have any legs. Like, he doesn't have any legs in SML. That's why they didn't give Chef Pee Pee legs. And also, you just put your hand in like that, so it's easier. And Jeffy, you have to put it in his butt. He's smacking his diaper like Jeffy. His little collar there. I got the Chef Pee Pee that doesn't say Chef Pee Pee on the shirt, but I don't really care. I love this puppet. This is the face Chef Pee Pee always does when Belcher's like screaming at him. This is Chef Pee Pee's rap song from Chef Pee Pee Quits Part 6. Every single day I'll wash the dishes. I live with a turtle named Junior, he's a muncher. That's why I quit my job, cause I'm over my limit. And man, I hate my life. Man, I hate my life. Sure, wish that I was white. Man, I hate my life. Yeah, that was kind of racist, but that was racist. Alright, so his little eyes are brown, like in SML. His eyes were always brown. Man, I hate my life. Man, I hate my life. Man, I hate my life. The first time I ever discovered Super Mario Logan was the first video that I ever watched of him was Bowser Jr.'s First Grade, Part 1. I hate Jeffy just like Mario. Let me go get my Mario plush. And my Jeffy puppet. Here's Mario. I keep on. I don't know. Yeah, I should look for it. But yeah. Chef Pee Pee, I need you to babysit Jeffy for me. Jeffy, but I hate Jeffy. I know you do, Chef Pee Pee, but you have to. No. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, kids, for more Chef Pee Pee videos. And I hate Jeffy when he does this. Dang it! Yeah, bye guys. make sure to subscribe. And I never thought we would go higher than 7 subscribers, but we went higher than 7 subscribers. We got 8 subscribers. All right. I never ever thought it could go higher because the subscribe button was like blurred out when I started. I was pressing it, the subscribe button. I know I wasn't trying to subscribe to my channel. I wasn't, I swear. But I just wanted to see if the subscribe button worked. I would have unsubscribed as well. For myself, okay. And it just would not work. I was like, wait, what? Then that means other people can't subscribe. But it blew my mind. When I checked back at my video, it said 8 subscribers. Yo, my mind blew up. I was like, wait, what? I was just so confused. So yeah, bye guys. Leave a like. I don't care if you dislike or anything.